Hello, myself Devjani Ghosh, Assistant Professor of Institute of Advanced Education and Research. Our campus is a management college based in Bengal Intelligent Park, Salt Lake, Sector 5. And today we have come here with BBA and MBA first year students for an industrial visit at Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited. It is based at Shalponi, and students are enjoying here. This is a very important visit for them, as it is the first visit proposed by the University McCout. And here they have come for a learning that how cement manufacturing is done. And the staff members over here, under the guidance of HR operations, Mr. Chakraborty, then Bhavani Mishra, those who have told us about the environment and safety measures, and our team of Mr. Shuman Bhattacharya, Marketing Head of IAER, then Shayantoni, and myself. So students are enjoying very much. They are learning so many things, the whole setup, the cement factory. They have given a very nice presentation. And the students of MBA and BBA, they also gave the feedback that they are enjoying a lot. They are very enthusiastic. And as it is their first visit, they are very enthusiastic and loving the whole thing.